Bit more progress here. Got the interior going to go back together. The door panel still has to come off. I have to replace the outer belt weather strip. But here's the inside the floor. It is just incredible. That's the spot where the ran down the assembly line. The bare metal is still shiny. So just see how nice this floor is. Even the shifter center hump, the paint is still shiny. Wiring's perfect. Need to put the drains back in. Start going back together. Just a bit more video as it's going together. See how clear the windows are. Original door panel. That's got to come off to replace the belt weather strip. There's got a few. I got NOS ones. Here's the thing, the cluster's just sitting there. Just to show how nice everything is in here. The floor, here's some paint test spots. It looks like they tested it before they painted the dash and door color. But there's some little plugs that I took out there just when I was cleaning it. Getting there.